No fish were harmed in the filming of this video. Enjoy.
So it's April 15th. We got snow. I'm gonna go see if I can't hook a catfish or a walleye, so why not? I ice fish. No reason I can't fish in this, right? Here we go. Rock and roll. Conditions aren't the most favorable, that's for sure. But I've caught some of the nicest fish in the worst weather. What the heck? Try it out. 25-mile-an-hour winds, snowing. I fished in worse though. Let's give it a go. I'm just not one for sitting around watching TV. Especially now. Sometimes the walleye are biting. We'll just see what happens. I'll have to be honest, conditions are not favorable whatsoever. My fingers are froze. Keep getting some really good hits on this one though. Got some shad on it.
Gotta stay warm, wait.
So that's the thing is, you know, we had some really warm days, so the water temperature is coming up. You know, the walleye pre-spawn's starting, and a few more days should be pretty good. We're in the 50s next week, but I'm gonna keep trying. I can always go home and get warm, right? Can't catch them on the couch, right, Bauer? River's up quite a bit. Been having a lot of rain, snow melt off. Sometimes it pulls them fish up in these holes. It's snowing hard. Snowing good now. Lovely spring weather. God bless America. Hung up. Oh, Lordy. Not a good situation. Well, turning into a bit of a squall. Kind of cold. Hang in there. Oh, snagged that. Now conditions are worse. My eyelets keep freezing up. Man, I just had a really good hit though. Hate to give up now. I'm gonna give her a go for a little bit longer. Getting pretty bad. Getting pretty bad. The thing about Iowa, 3 days ago it was 76 degrees. Now the wind chill's 19 and snowing like crazy. If you want to wait for perfect weather to do anything, you're not going to do it here. Come on! Ah! I've caught some really nice walleye here before. I don't think it'll be today. Trees have been budding, dropping junk, so there's a lot of food. It triggers other bait fish to start eating, feeding. And this is kind of a backwater. A lot lot of times these fish will be laying in here waiting for smaller bait fish. I'm using a swim shad. Usually works pretty good. Got 2 good bites. Used to be able to catch some pretty decent northerns in here too. I haven't caught one of those in years. Oh, there's a bump. Well, I think I'm gonna get in the truck and warm up a bit. Can't feel my fingers. Regroup, maybe try another spot real quick. But, eagles are fishing, so I'd say they're here. Okay, so I think what my plan is I'm gonna go downriver about 7 miles, and I know where a pretty good sized creek or tributary runs in, and a lot of times when the water's this high it'll flow back into it, which last week it was warm enough, like I was saying, that frogs were actually out, some crawfish were starting to get active, so it kind of draws some game fish up in those creeks and stuff to start feeding. So I'm going to try that. If I don't catch anything, at least maybe you'll take some tips and tricks from this. It does work sometimes, and we'll see what happens, so hang in there. Alright, so here at least I'll be a little bit more protected out of the weather, and main river's right out there underneath the bridge, but caught some nice fish down here, so give it a go for a while. I'll get set up. Now we're kind of up in a dead pool, and water should be quite a bit warmer than the main river. Feels a lot warmer, I'll tell you that. Give her a try. It's starting to snow pretty good now. I'll have to pack this baby up. Well, I just had a really good bite and I missed it. But I'm freezing. I think I'm going to call it quits. Is it a fail? Never. Anytime out fishing is a good time. Saw some cool stuff. Lots of bald eagles, some wood ducks, an otter. So anyway, glad you watched it. Hope you liked it. And we'll be back here in a few months when it warms up. Pull some 40-pound flatheads out of here. That's when it gets good. So, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Well, if anything, found some springtime wild edibles. Stinging nettle. Yummy. Tops are really good. You bet. I'm missing that. I hate getting skunked. Sometimes you just gotta know when to quit. Phew. That was tough.